Hello! In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the ICAO exam. After entering the website ICAO4U.com, press the Book Exam tab. In the calendar, you can choose a convenient date and hour. If you have decided on the date, press Book Now. You will see the summary. Please press Buy. If you have a coupon, you may enter it here. In this place, you have to enter your phone number and email address and consent to the processing. After that, press Next. You will see the order review. If everything is correct, press Next. Here you have to make a payment and press Place Order. In your email box, you will receive the confirmation of payment and all information about the exam. Before the exam, you will have to fill in the registration form, which is necessary. Please remember that you can take your exam only by mobile devices. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video will be helpful for you.